Beauty and Grey, a wise leader. Once upon a time, there was a deer who was the leader of a herd of 1,000. He had 2 sons, Beauty and Grey. One day, their father called Beauty and Grey to him. He said,
I want you, my grown-up children, to be the leaders. We will divide the herd and each of you will lead 500 deer. I am now very old, so I cannot do all that is necessary to look after this big herd of deer.
So it's done. In India, when the harvest time comes, the deer are always in danger. The rice is at its tallest, and the deer cannot help but go into the paddies and eat it. To avoid the destruction of their crops, the human beings trap and kill the deer. Knowing this was the season, the wise old deer called the 2 new leaders to him, and he said,
I advise both of you to take the herds up into the mountain forest, far from the dangerous farmlands. This was how I had always saved the deer from being wounded or killed. Then I would bring them back to the lowlands after the harvest was over. I am expecting from both of you to do the same. Since I was too old and weak for the trip, I would remain behind in hiding. Be careful and have a safe journey.
Beauty set out with his herd for the mountain forest, and so did Grey with his. The villagers all along the way knew that this was the time. The deer moved from the low farmlands to the high countryside. So they hid along the way and killed the deer as they passed by. Grey did not pay attention to his father's wise advice. He was in a hurry to get to the lush mountain forest, so he moved his herd constantly during the night, at dawn and dusk, and even in broad daylight. This made it easy for the people to shoot the deer in Grey's herd with bows and arrows. Many were killed and many were wounded. Grey reached the forest with only a few deer remaining alive. Beauty was wise enough to understand the danger to his moving herd, so he was very careful. He knew it was safer to stay away from the villagers. And also he knew it was not safe in the daytime, so moved only in the middle of the night. Beauty's herd arrived in the mountain forest safe, with no one killed or injured. The 2 herds found each other and remained in the mountain forest. After the harvest season was over, they began the return to the farmland. Grey had learned nothing from the first trip, as it was getting cold in the mountains. He was in a hurry to get to the warmer lowlands, so he was just as careless as before. Again the people hid along the way, attacked and killed the deer. All Grey's herd were killed. Grey himself was the only one who survived the journey. Beauty led his herd in the same careful way as before. He brought back all 500 deer completely safe. While the deer were still in the distance, the old chief said to his dog,
Look at the deer coming back to us. Beauty has all his followers with him. Grey comes limping back alone. Those who follow a wise leader with good qualities will always be safe. Those who follow a foolish leader who is careless and thinks only of himself will fall into troubles and be destroyed.
Moral of the story: a wise leader puts the safety of his followers first.